Good morning, guys. I'm in London. Now, I spent the night at the Glendale Hotel. I believe that's what it's called. I shall just stop this and double check. Okay, guys, I've just confirmed. It's the Glendale Hyde Park Hotel on Devonshire Terrace in Paddington, Westminster. Now, I had a quite comfortable night. Apart from this bed's a little bit hard for me, but, you know, it wouldn't necessarily put everybody off. Now, I'm a little bit early. It's only 9:10. Oh, my watch is doing funny things. It's only 9:10. Now, what I've decided to do today, I'm going to visit some museums. Now, I have a ticket for 10:45 at the Natural History Museum, and I'm currently at Paddington. Now, I have no idea about London and about transport and whatever. So consequently, I'm going to set off now, 9:10, and see how I get over there and see how I get on. Then when I visited the Natural History Museum, I actually have a ticket for the British Museum at 3:30, which gives me either extra time in the Natural History Museum to wander about and do things, or to nip somewhere else and do something else. So I've kind of left that bit clear for me to pick something to do. But then I get off over to Euston Station, where I'm catching the sleeper train home. But I'm not in a cabin. I've booked a seat. So that's going to be an adventure in the next vlog. Anyway, with that, time to get checked out of this hotel and head on over to the Natural History Museum. Okay, guys, I'm following Google Maps and I'm lost already, and I'm still on the same street as the hotel. I have no idea what's happening. I think I'm going the wrong way. Yep, I need to go that way. Okay, guys, I've got to find my way to Kensington Gardens. It's actually quite lovely. So what have we got? Oh, we've got the Long Water, which I'm near, because here I am. Kensington Palace, the Orangery. The round pond that's not round. Serpentine, the Serpentine Bridge. All things that I've heard of. Oh, and we've got Hyde Park over here. Oh, that's not the way I want to go. I'm following directions. It's telling me to go down this way. Towards the physical energy statue, I believe. But we'll find out. I'm not seeing the Natural History Museum. Science Museum. But Gloucester Road, I think that's where the museum is situated. The Rolls Royce ice cream van. Get on it. I've walked past Peter Pan. Never mind. You have a timer of death in London. Okay guys, this is the road the Natural History Museum's on. I'm quite early, I've got 45 minutes. And here we are at the Science Museum, guys. But I'm not visiting that at the moment. Hey guys, I've arrived at the Natural History Museum. I don't know where the main entrance is. Well, I've got 30 minutes to find out. There we go guys, my first view of a dinosaur. It's obviously been on a crash diet. Okay guys, the reason I've come to the Natural History Museum is because of this gentleman here. Not so long ago, in the early part of this month, Sir David Attenborough turned 100. I've been watching his TV programmes for years. The National Institute or National Institution. So he's kind of drove me to come and visit this place. Now I think it's time for me to get to the entrance and get in. If I can actually find a way to get in through these gates. Okay guys, and I'm in, and there's the blue whale that replaced the dinosaur. Now all I need to do is find my guidebook and my tote bag that I bought. Okay guys, and I'm in. All I need to do is figure out what I want to go and see. Okay guys, let's go and have a look at the dinosaurs. Okay, now I've got to go home and watch Jurassic Park. I wonder what the point of them front arms were. See, now I want an omelette. Little baby eggs. That's a big T-bone, guys. That's some meat off that. Never mind the T-bone, guys. Look at that for a drumstick. A Deinonychus. Okay guys, as we get a good view of Brontosaurus's arse. This is probably the best view you can get of it if it was alive. Going away from you. I got it wrong, guys, it's not a Brontosaurus, it's a Camarasaurus. Big lizard. Well, my battery went then, guys. I'm going to have to be careful. It's only 11:30 and I've gone through one battery. So, another one of the famous ones, the Triceratops. Each little baby. This, guys, you can own your own dinosaur skull. A large T-Rex skull for £85. I don't know what the scale is. Obviously a baby one. I'm just going to have to go home and watch this. Okay guys, I've just decided to stop off for lunch. I'm not really hungry, but, well, I'm not overly hungry. I can eat, but I actually came across this place, so I thought, I'll eat here. Now, this is what you get for having a captive audience. £11.40. And it made it worse, they declined my card, so I had to go and sit down and move some money. Anyway, never mind. I'll eat my sandwich now and contemplate what I'm going to do next. Okay guys, I could stay here all day, no doubt. I've only seen a very, very small part of it, just the dinosaurs. But unfortunately I'm going to have to move on if I want to see anything else. Just too big to see in a day. So I shall leave the big blue whale that represents the fragile status of the natural world, past, present and future. It's time to move on to look at something else.
This is a better day.
Okay, I'm not liking the look of these clouds, guys. Hopefully they all blow away.
Streets